Neem aloe vera juice may help lower blood sugar levels in body. Health benefits of neem. How neem helps manage diabetes. Largely grown across India, it is loaded with flavonoids, antioxidants, antiviral and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help control the surge in glucose. As per a journal Studies on Ethnomedicine, neem leaf powder was found to control diabetic symptoms on non-insulin dependent diabetics. Health benefits of aloe vera. How aloe vera helps manage diabetes. A study, published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine, finds that consumption of aloe vera gel may help control diabetes and achieve better fasting blood glucose levels. Another study in the journal Physiotherapy Research shows that the pulp of aloe vera leaves, devoid of the gel, can be beneficial in treating non-insulin dependent diabetes. Considering the benefits of both the ingredients, we found a concoction that can be considered to be a great inclusion in our diabetes diet. It is called Neem aloe vera juice. How to make neem aloe vera juice. Ingredients: 4 to 5 neem leaves, 1 tablespoon aloe vera juice, 1.5 cup water. Method: take water in a saucepan and add neem leaves to it, boil for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame, strain and cool down, add aloe vera juice to it, mix and drink.